Alright, hello everybody. Hello. You know you guys can make some noise, we are not in the library. One more time. Hello everybody. Okay, now very good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the Rainforest. My name is Juan, and I'm your host for today's presentation. Again, before we start the show, today we have to run something special for you guys. We're gonna have some animals coming out here today to do training for the new show behavior. So basically, we're gonna show you guys how we work with animals with some positive reinforcement. Okay, so I hope you guys will enjoy the show. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Now, Rainforest is home to fascinating creatures, gigantic trees, colorful birds, and mysterious reptiles. You can maybe ask yourself why. Yes. I got a very noisy audience over there. You good? Are you good? Okay, now Rainforest is home to fascinating creatures, gigantic trees, colorful birds, and mysterious reptiles. You can maybe ask why. It is because the rainforest is one of the most endangered habitat on Earth. Okay, so with that said, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to travel all over the world. So first up, we're going to South America. So I am all of you guys to focus your attention over at the top bar here as I introduce you to my first buddy. This is a Nike. Hello, Nike. Hi, Nike here is our Koti Mandi, okay? And if you say he looks like a raccoon, Koti Mandi and raccoon, they belong to the same family. Now you can see over here, Nike has a long banded tail. He chooses to balance himself as he walks across the vine, and of course, running down the log, just like that. Okay, if you notice, like Koti Mandi is also a very curved, sharp claws which they use for digging and to rake apart rotten logs. Now this is Nike's brother over here. This is Patches. So when you say he matches, it's okay. And you also notice that they do have a very short snout that can move in any direction, any angle, just like an elephant trunk. So what they're doing right now, what Patrick is showing you guys right now is using his claws and his awesome sense of smell to actually dig out and look for the treats that were left for them earlier before the show. So where are you going, Patrick? Are you done? There you go, opening that thing over there. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's give our Koti Mandi brothers a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Patrick and Nike. Okay, so right now we're going to a small, beautiful island called Madagascar. You know, they are black and white. They're kind of famous. You guys might know them. And they go something like this.
I like to move it. I like to move it.
They love to move it. Okay, this is not the animal, okay? But she also loves to move it. Every Wednesday night, ladies night, she's over at the club there. Okay, now this is our interviewer. This is Billy. So what Alan is going to bring Billy all the way down here so you guys can see him up close. Okay, so right now this is the training part of the show that I was telling you guys earlier. So I'm just going to describe to you what the trainers are doing. And of course the tools they are using for today's training session. Okay. So number one, you can hear that clicking sound. Now that clicking sound comes from this thing called a clicker. Okay, this thing right over here. So this thing is to recall the animals. Okay, so let's say they're far away from us. They're not looking, we click just like that and they will respond. Alright, another tool that they're using is called a target stick. Now that orange stick over there. Now that stick is to direct the levers to where the trainers want them to go. Okay, so you can see over here, we got one more trainer with SP. This is Hazik. Hello. Okay, and last but not least, you can hear that whistling sound. Okay, now that whistling sound is to indicate to these levers that they've done a great job. Okay, so whenever they do their behavior, the trainer will whistle, just like that, and then they will get the treat. Okay, now these ringtail lemurs are highly social animals. When they move on the ground together, they will raise their tail all the way up high. And they also have very special hands and feet which make them very agile. So Hazik is going to show you guys. There you go. Okay, I know that's not a challenge, very easy. I also can jump like that. Okay. I wish. Okay, Hazik is going to try one more time, just a little bit higher. Okay, there you go, using that target stick. Okay, and give it. Just like, let's give you, Bazik. Let's see you being on the floor. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you guys something pretty interesting. Okay, now male lemurs, right? Male lemurs, when they see each other, they love to argue. Okay, so when they argue, they do this thing called a sting fight. So basically what they will do, they will take their tail and they rub it against the sand gland which is located on their ribs. Okay, and then they swing this tail at one another. So let's see. Okay, Ellen is going to do with Bibi and then there you go. Just like that. You see that? Tail, wrist, swipe, swing. Like that. Okay, upwards, again. Do the thing. Just like that. Now this is called a sting fight. Now, when they do this thing, right, they give off a very musky smell. Okay, so you can smell it from here. You guys can smell it. Okay, now that is not coming from the lemur. That is coming from Ellen. Okay, no, I think they did a marvelous job. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give all the trainers and of course the lemur to be round of applause. Hey, okay, so right now I'm very excited to introduce you guys to these two friends of mine. They're very small, okay? Now they are all the way from Colombia, okay, very, very far. So I need you guys to focus your attention at the trees in the back. I will have to drop there. Focus your attention over there. If you see any trees moving, right, means they are coming. Okay, now earlier on I did say that the trainer used a clicker to call the animals, but for these guys over here, they're a little bit different. Okay, they are free-ranging animals, means they travel all around the zoo. So they are trained to listen to the buzzer, that thing over there. Just like that. So can you see them coming where? Where? Can you see them? No? There you go. Very small little purple. Now this is of course our cotton top tamarin. This is a Rico and Ashton. Like I said, they came all the way from Colombia. Okay, not today lah. And you can see they're called cotton top tamarin because of their white hair on top of their head. Okay? And it looks very spiky and stuff like that. Now they groom themselves, we cannot comb their hair for them. Okay, and one more thing. Okay. He also wants to be the presenter. Okay, one more thing now. I know they look like babies, right? Very small, but believe it or not, they are actually full grown. Okay, these are adult tamarin. Now in captivity, right, they can live up to 24 years old, and they are also very light, weighing about 500 to 600 grams. Okay, that is the weight of myself, right? When I was in Sunday school, they are very small. Okay, like I said, they are only working with animals or insects, and of course, their favorite fruits are grapes. Okay? Okay, they agree? Okay, I think they are going to run around the zoo, so we're going to let them go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our tamarin, Rico, Esteban, and of course, Ellen. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Bye! Look at them, right? Alright, bye guys. See you later. When you walk around the zoo, you might see them. Okay, so just say hi to them. Okay, so that is our tamarin. So right now, we are going to take you guys up to the skies. Okay, we're going to introduce you guys to someone unique. Now, he can be found in tropical island or Singapore and also in two continents, Africa, Asia, and even with his large cast, he's very agile in the air. Now, this is of course our Oriental Thai Hornbill, Chica. Hey. So what we're going to do for you, we're going to fly Chica from point to point, and we're going to show you guys how she silent and gracefully is while flying. Okay, so I need you guys to put up your listening here, try to catch if there's any sound coming up. There you go, sweet and silent. Now, earlier on I did say about this very large car, that white thing on top of the seat. Now, that looks very heavy, but actually it is very, very light. Now, cars is made out of keratin, that is the same substance as our fingernails and our hair, okay? There you go. Alright, if you notice his flight pattern, now he's not just going to flap his wings anyhow. Now what he'll do, right, he'll flap his wings 3 to 4 times and then he will fly. Okay, just look at him one more time, there you go. 1, 2, 3, and Lah. Okay, now this fight I know you guys just prey in the air, so right now I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, one more fight to fight you with that. And after that, I'm gonna show you guys something very interesting, okay? I'm gonna try. I'm not really good at this, but I've been training. Don't worry, Haziq, I'll make you proud. Okay, like that. Okay, I have a piece of bread with me, okay? So I'm gonna get Chica's attention, okay? And then I'm gonna throw the bread as high and as straight as I can, alright? So, like I said earlier, I'm not very good, so if the bread falls to you guys, right? You can eat the bread lah. I challenge you, okay? Okay, I'm gonna get Chica's attention. Chica, over here. Boy, come on. Woo! Chica. Okay. Okay, now on the count of three, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Okay, if you missed that, never mind. Okay, I got one more trick here with me, so I'm gonna try one more time here, right over here. Okay, let's hope this video is good as the first one. Okay, check out over here, boys. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Ha! Sorry, not doing the grapes to you guys today. Okay, you know what? I think Chica, you did a great job. Let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Chica. You see, I'm sweating just by throwing the big Okay, so you guys have seen our cooking monkeys, our rainbow lemurs, our tamarins, and of course Chica. So right now, we are going to travel to the darker side of the rainforest. Now some call them evil. Some say they strike for no reason, with no warning, and they make this sound. Hey guys, there's nothing at the back. I'm just pointing my finger. That's awesome lah. Okay, now that is obviously a snake. Right now, snakes they are versatile animals. Okay, you can find snakes almost everywhere. Okay, they can be up on the vine, down on the ground, swimming in the pool, and maybe even underneath the seats. And they like cold and dark places. Okay, for example, like a cave over there. Okay, so hold on. I see if I can find any snakes for you guys, right? Alright, here we go. Okay, now let me introduce you guys to this very beautiful girl over here. Now, her name is Cleo. Now, Cleo here is a ball python. Okay, now the reason why she's called a ball python is because when she gets nervous, right, she will curl up into a shape of a ball, otherwise known as a roller python. Because it is believed that the great Queen Cleopatra actually used them as ornaments with jewelry around her neck and of course around her wrist. Now this ball python is the smallest species of python. You can found throughout Africa and can got the length of 1.2 to 1.5 meters long. Okay. So right now, you can see that she's moving around. She's very active today. Now that is because of the humidity in the air. Right? Snakes are very active in humid weather, just like this. Okay, now one more thing, this girl over here is not venomous at all. In fact, she's a constrictor. Okay, so what she will do, right? She will strike at the prey, crawl around them, suffocate them, and of course swallow them. Oh, like a very beautiful girl over here. So you know what? Enough of Cleo. So right now I'm gonna introduce you guys to two more friends of mine. Okay, now they are very shy. Okay, they're not shy today. But they are highly elusive animals. Now we believe that this is the only show that you get to catch them. Okay, so you guys got a camera, do take pictures of them in action. Okay? Now these guys, of course, our great of badger. They are native to Thailand and Indochina. They are omnivores, just like the tamarind. They feed on small animals, small insects, and fruits. And of course, they do have an excellent sense of smell. Okay. There you go, sniffing around. Okay, you know what, guys? All the animals that you just seen here, they are amazing animals. But sadly, as been said, in 30 years' time, all the animals and the rainforest, they are going to be gone forever. Okay? Now that's because of us men, because pollution, because deforestation. So it's really about time for all of us to think about it. If we want to be part of the problem, or be part of the solution. So let's all take a look. Let's all think. There's a reason why we hold presentation like this. Hopefully, by the end of the day, you guys will come to understand and even care about these animals. Like I said earlier, they've been pushed to the brink of extinction because of deforestation, pollution, and also because of the illegal wildlife trade. Now they've been hunted down, poached down to be used in unproven medicine, novelty food, and to be used in the fashion industry. Now not many people realize that when you're buying stock, so does the king. So it's really about time for all of us to stand up together as one and give voice to these voiceless animals and bring the rainforest back to life. Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that come to the end of the show. Now on behalf of the animals and of course all my toys that make this show happen. My name is Juan. You guys have been fantastic. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.
Please remain seated and wait for our presenters or operation friends to call out to your row to exit. Now we'll direct you to the exit point, and once you have exited from the amphitheater, please do remember to practice social distancing by keeping at least 1 meter away from the next group of guests. With that, thank you for your understanding, stay healthy, and take care.